Hare Krishna, dear devotees, an offering to His Divine Grace Srila Prabhupada on the occasion of his 125th birth anniversary. Dear Srila Prabhupada, Ocean of Mercy, Sri Radha's compassion, Krishna's trustworthy, scholar, prolific author, philosopher, and a great leader, Goloka Vrindavan man, and our beloved spiritual teacher. Lord Sri Chaitanya predicted his commander-in-chief appear to accomplish the mission in every town and streets. Yes, Srila Prabhupada appeared to fulfill this prophecy with Lord Krishna's extraordinary potency and his causeless mercy. On the day after Janmashtami, this astounding warrior was born. He was named Abhay Charan, bold and courageous one. He made such a home where everyone can live in godliness. Our very own International Society for Krishna Consciousness. He started this movement within the lost and misguided souls, chanting in the parks, conducting love feasts, delivering lectures to reach their real life goals. He trained his disciples in Arati, Kirtan, writing books, and deity worship to help them advance spiritually and understand the true meaning of servitorship. He started gurukuls, farm communities, established more than 108 Krishna temples, that no one should go hungry within a 10-mile radius of all ISKCON temples. He given us festivals like Janmashtami, Gaura Purnima, Ekadashi's Chulan Yatra, most merciful Lord Jagannath riding the whole world through the marvelous Rath Yatra. Books are basis, preaching is essence, and purity is force. His divine instructions and books are the real source. He suffered so much to give us a message of peace and goodwill, that we can understand Krishna, serve Him, and never misuse our free will. Dear Srila Prabhupada, your transcendental presence is very important in our lives. Following in your divine footsteps, Krishna consciousness in every soul revives. Therefore, you are the genuine embodiment of mercy, Sri Radha's compassion, and Krishna's trustworthy.
This human form of life should be properly utilized, not simply engaged in sense gratification like cats and dogs. That is not very responsible life. Responsible life is that I have got this improved form of life than the cats and dogs, and I have got more intelligence than the cats and dogs. If I simply utilize it for 4 bodily necessities of life. 4 bodily necessities of life means we require some eating. The cats, dogs, human beings, or High Court judge or anyone, they require some eating. They require sleeping, apartment. So that is, cats and dogs can sleep without apartment. But the sleeping required. That is fact. Eating required. That is fact. And sex life. That is also fact. And defense. That is also fact. But these things are common to the cats and dogs and man, human being. So what is the special feature of the human being? The special feature of the human being is that a human being can consider that I have got this nice American and Australian or Indian body, then what I am going to get next? What kind of body? That is utilized for human intelligence. A cat and dog cannot think like that.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasati Gaur Bhakta Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna